Hi guys, welcome to my channel Easy Recipes by Pfizer. Today I'm going to show you how to make beef goulash. We have beef, half a kg, dhania, 2 medium onions, ginger and garlic, 3 tomatoes, potatoes, nor cubes. We have black pepper, salt to taste, and oil. So we must wash our ingredients first before we start cooking. So our next step is to crush our ginger and garlic. Next is slicing our onions. For easier blending, I slice them a bit in chunks, as you can see. Now the next step is to bring our beef to boil. And we should add some water. So the next step is to put our beef to boil and then cover it. Give it like 15 to 25 minutes at most, depending on the hardness of the beef you have. So our next step is to heat our sufuria. Cut. So next we add our beef to the fried onions. Remember, we have some sauce. Next we're going to add our potatoes. Then now that sauce that remained, that extra sauce, mix. Remember, we have our tomatoes, blended tomatoes aside. We're going to add them at some point. Cut. Blended tomato, blended tomatoes, nice. Mix them. So now next we're going to cover our beef goulash for some few minutes, like 10 minutes, to allow our potatoes to cook. Remember, we had our capsicum, that is hoho, and coriander, dania. We will add them at the later stage. I'll show you guys. Nini? Wow, now almost ready. Let's confirm if our potatoes are well cooked. Yeah. To add our capsicum, that is hoho. Come closer. Then mix. Just be a little bit gentle so that you should avoid breaking the potatoes. Then next we're going to add our dania. Mix. Then that's it. Look. So if you like this video, kindly consider giving it a like and subscribe to my channel for more of such videos. Bye.